Hi, I am Ashish Agarwal
Hi, I am Param.
and welcome to
Business Circuit.
So, we are going to discuss about Indian stock market. What do you think? What's going into the market?
I am seeing market as a bullish.
But it's already 15% down. About 94.5 crores wiped out from the market. How you are seeing the market is bullish?
That's true. Market is 15% down. 94.5 lakh crore is not wiped out. As per me, that's the profit booking. Investor has already booked the profit. From the top, we can see market is 15% corrected. So this is the right time for investor to invest more money for a long time perspective only.
So, do you think that market will correct and there is some profit into the market in the near future?
Market is already corrected.
Okay.
Profit is always there, near future or long term future. That is depends on the investor perspective. We are not talking about the trader's perspective. We are talking about the
The
inspector.
investors'
Yeah.
perspective. Yeah, very good. So, what are the factors? That's why you are saying the market is bullish and the market is going to revive. Can you elaborate about some factors?
See the strong economic growth in India. There are many factors.
No, everybody knows that India is a good country. The opportunities in India are huge. But what are the strong growth perspective because of what the market is going to revive?
See, India's projected GDP is 6.5 to 7% in the next financial year, which is going to start from April 25.
And I think it's the only country with GDP is more than 6%.
That's true. All the other countries, they are struggling to meet the GDP above 4% or 5%. But
Okay.
India's projected GDP for the next financial year is 6.5 to 7%. That the sources says.
Okay. And what's next?
India's internal demand, global demand. The global economy is expecting more from the India manufacturing hub. As per the government's make in India, manufacturers in India, export from India. So as we can see, Tesla is also coming in India, right? They are going to manufacture the cars, all those things in India and will be exporting as well from India to the nearest APEC, Asia Pacific regions countries.
So you think that India is a huge market and so many companies from the abroad are setting their business in India. That's why this market is going to revive.
That's true. As per me, FII are also investing in India. They are also bullish. As we can see, from the top, they have already booked a profit of 15%. People are seeing that FII has already exited from India. But my understanding, my sources are says, my analysis says FII is secretly investing at this level. So soon we can see a good boom in the market.
So this is the hope we all are expecting because many people have lost a huge money in the market. Many investors, many first-time bookers who had invested in the market, they had seen a big loss.
See, big loss is for those only who were the traders,
Okay.
who felt panic in this situation, who booked their losses, right? So the people, if the investors keep their money with
Invested.
them,
Okay.
if the investor kept their stocks investing, they are not traders, right? In that case, there is no risk of losing money. You are a long-term investor.
Okay. So, what do you think? This is one factor that India's demand, India's GDP, FIIs, and is there any other factors? That's why you are saying that market is going to bullish.
Yes, there are many other factors. Investor friendly government policies are there in the market, right? Government
Yes.
has already, the PLI policy is already there.
Yeah, protecting incentive, no?
That's right.
Yes.
Also, corporate tax cut down policy of the government is impacting more and reducing the burden on the corporate industry,
Yeah,
right?
their profit is going to increase.
Definitely. And restructuring of capital of banking, right? Government is helping banks to restructure
So these are the government policies and corporate policies because of which you think the profit is going to high of all the corporates and domestic players. And don't you think the China factory is also there? Many of the companies are de-investing their business from China and they are expecting to build their business in India.
Yes, that's true. Geopolitical factors are also very important for India. And US and Europe are reducing their dependency on China. They are having more focus on India.
Okay, so we all know that after COVID, many of the countries are quitting from China and investing in other countries, and India is one of them. India is the favorite of all countries.
That's right. Global supply chain is shifted from China to India now, right? Which is helping India to grow more down the line 2, 3, 4 years. You will see, I'm giving you the figure now. Down the line 3 years, we can see this Indian market will be double from this figure.
So, is it true?
That's true. We can see that.
So these are the factors. That's why you are saying that market is going to revive and market is going to up by the next few days.
Yes, India is also getting strategic relationship with the US, EMEA, Africa, and Dubai, all those countries. India is now tie up with strategic relationship.
Yes, I also agree with you that geo factors, Indian domestic factor, and the government policies that are favorable nowadays for the businessman. And I do agree that there is very much scope for business in India, and the as the business grow, the stock market will also grow. But what are the other technical factors?
See, what I see a magnet for investor is Indian digital revolution, Indian restructuring of the banking. That is the magnet of for the investor, I would say.
Okay, how?
So India's rapid digital transformation, India's focusing on AI, ML, quantum computing, that is going to boom the market. Investors are trusting India's economy just because India is focusing on digital transformation.
Great. So, Param, I really impressed. Everybody is afraid of this market. They are quitting from the market. But you told the GDP, AI, or tech, we can say the geo factors and many other factors which are favorable for Indian market, and Indian market you say that it is growing. Any other thing you want to add to this?
Everyone sees FIR exiting, right? What I see, what I observe, my analysis, my team's analysis is FII is not exiting. They are now reinvesting at this level. Along with that, DII, the SIPs of India's people, India's investors are going to create a boom in the market very soon. You'll see the market going to boom in next some days only. You never know.
So, stay invested for the long time and get profit.
That's the suggestion or advice from the business circuit team. But take your decisions with your consciousness and with your analysis and with your expert advice.
And what you say, what is your opinion? Do comment in the comment box, and we will create such videos. We will create amazing videos on Business Circuit channel. So do subscribe and share with your friends and followers. Thank you.
And stay connected with Business Circuit. Thank you so much.